video. What you got there, Miles? You have a piece of cucumber.
Are you eating a cucumber? Whoa, what's that gadget?
Don't drop it.
Miles likes cucumbers. Are you taking a cucumber? It's nice and good cucumber. Are you eating a cucumber? Oh yes you are eating a cucumber. Are you eating a cucumber? Cucumber, hey. Are you eating a cucumber? Oh yeah.
Okay, enjoy your cucumber.